Okay, so I just ordered from Perfectly Posh for the second time, so I figured why not do an unboxing. So basically, Perfectly Posh is like soaps, face cleansers, body washes, lotions, bath salts, and they're all made with 100% natural ingredients, which is great. So anyway, let's get to it. So the box is pretty plain, just brown, but it does have Perfectly Posh's logo and stuff on the side. And I kind of already opened it. Basically, this is what it looks like when you first open it. Just kind of all wrapped up. Has the little order thing of everything I ordered. I didn't order that much just because. Anyway, this paper that's in here has Perfectly Posh's logo on it. So it doesn't. I don't know what's that. This is a free sample I got with all my lovely points I have. I forget what they're called. And this is a sample for a face mask. It's called Envy This. And it's tightening and brightening face mask. It's with green tea, neem flower, and caffeine. This is my absolute favorite face wash from them. This is the only kind I get from them. I haven't tried anything else. It's just, I really like it. It smells nice. It cleans well. It's exfoliating daily face wash. And look natural, BFF, best face forever. And it's with peppermint, grapefruit oil, and aloe vera. It's great. And I also got the facial moisturizer from the same thing that goes with the face wash, because you gotta moisturize. This is with organic olive oil, lavender, and aloe vera. And I got something new because I thought, hey, it might work good. I have acne, and this is basically the only stuff that helps keep it at bay. So I got, it's by the same collection, Look Natural, Call It a Night, nighttime facial oil. Came in this little box. Look, it's made with evening primrose and other essential oils. Ooh, nice little bottle. Yes. So basically, you just pat generously over clean, dry face, neck, and chest before bed. It's supposed to hydrate your skin, soothe, hydrate, and moisturize skin. And the last thing I got was beach hair, don't care. Every day is a beach day. Came in this bag. Here we go. So basically this is like salt water, I think. It's supposed to make your hair wavy. Let's see what's in it. Water, magnesium sulfate. It says it's supposed to smell like an ocean breeze. That's it. And then in each box you get a little booklet. Okay, let's see. Little bag with the little booklet. I got another sample of this. Got another sample of that in with the booklet. And let's move this box now. And basically it's pink on the brink, and what it is just talking about, has some products and stuff from them, and it's talking about like how to join, be a consultant, which I am not, only because I really don't feel like it. Just kind of like a little newsletter for Perfectly Posh is what this is. And you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All their handles are there. It's probably backwards, so you probably can't see. And that's all I got from them today, from this time. And I mean, these I got for free because I had points, so that's okay. But for the face wash, moisturizer, the overnight facial oil, and the like beach hair mist stuff was only like $70 something for all 4 of these, right? Yeah, 4. Last time I got like 7 items or 5 items, and it was over $100. So, I mean, it depends on what you get. Some things are more expensive, but again, they're 100% natural and natural ingredients, and they're really good. Like, I love this face wash and moisturized combo. I haven't used it in a while because I ran out and kept forgetting to order some more, but it's literally the only face wash and moisturizer combo that keeps the beast of acne away from my face, and I have really bad acne, so it's a godsend. And well, that's my unboxing. Hope you enjoy it. Give Perfectly Posh a chance, guys, because it's great. I love their products.